praying Allah for help from the banished Satan. Our soul remembered the believer, the last and latest Prophet Hajrat Mohammed sallallahu alaihi wasallam, with blessing and peace, durood and salam. I, Jalaluddin Mondor, have to come to discuss about the important and necessary topics on my YouTube channel to build Qurani Jibon. Today I discuss the importance of fastings in Ramadan. Most important topics, the importance of fasting in Ramadan. Today I discuss. It does not matter how much importance we give on this month, Ramadan, but it will be must know. But we will be must know how much importance Allah and His last Prophet gave on this month, on this matter. As it is duty of all Muslims to know this importance and obey this. Know and obey this. It is duty of all Muslims. What importance give Allah and His last prophets about Ramadan? We know it today. At first, we know what importance gave Allah in Quran about Ramadan, the month of Ramadan. We know it from Quran, Allah's message, Quran. Allah has clearly stated that in verse of 185 of Surah Baqarah of the Quran was revealed in the month of Ramadan. The Quran was revealed in the month of Ramadan as a guidance for people, as a proper guidance, best guidance for the people, and as a sign of right path, as a sign of right path, indicate the right path, best path, clear path, as a solution of justice and injustice, as a solution of best solution, right solution of justice and injustice. We know Allah revealed in the Quran in the month of Ramadan for guidance of people. Number one, guidance of people, proper guidance of people. Number two, the signs of right path, best path, indicate right path, best path, and the solution, best solution, right solution of justice and injustice. For this purpose, Allah revealed Quran in the month of Ramadan. We know it. Why Allah Quran revealed in the month of Ramadan? For this purpose, Allah revealed Quran in the month of Ramadan as proper guide, proper guidance for people, sign or indicate the right path, best path, and the solution of the justice and injustice. So Allah, they said, so whoever of us get this month, whoever of us, all people get this month, should fasting or siyam, should fasting or siyam, except serious illness or traveler, traveler. Serious illness and travelers must fulfill the absent siyams another times. Then we know, and Allah clearly said in the verse of 183 of Surah Baqarah of the Holy Quran. Allah another said in the verse of 183 of Surah Baqarah in the Holy Quran, fasting has been prescribed for you. Allah clearly know all the people, clearly stated all the people that fasting has been prescribed for you like previous ones, so that you can be us, ideal people, perfect people. Allah clearly stated that fasting prescribed for you as we can be us, or ideal people, perfect people. For this purpose, Allah fasting prescribed all the believers of Islam. Know it. Why Allah revealed Quran and prescribed Siyam in Ramadan. Know it. Use it. Then Allah also said in the verse of 1 to 5 of Surah Qadr, 1 to 5 verse of 1 to 5 in Surah Qadr of the Holy Quran, on that night the complete guide of life, complete code of life, Holy Quran was revealed. That night is better than thousands months. That night is better than thousands months, or 83 years 4 months. It is better than 83 years 4 months. That night. What is that? What is that night? That night is revealed Quran. What is Quran? What is Quran? In order to send that, Allah, Almighty Allah gave the rules of fasting, of Siyam, whole 1 month. That He ordered us, and He ordered us abstain from all kind of non-Shariat activities. Abstain, stop all kind of non-Shariat activities. Ordered in this month, and obey 1 month Siyam. What is Quran? What is Quran? Quran is complete guide of life, complete code of life, who is due to need of age, nation, time, term and conditions. It will never need to change. It will be never need to change, refined, corrected. But it contains the ideal and best solution to all the world issues, all subject, and all mysteries. It is Quran. It is Quran. Through this Holy Quran, Allah, through this Holy Quran and Hadith prescribed from the life, ideal life of the last Prophet Hajrat Mohammed sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah laid down the Sharia, what? Clear law of Islam, clear law of Islam, the religion of correctness, truth, ideal, peaceful path, the peaceful path for peaceful life. Complete Shariat Allah laid down by Quran, Holy Quran and the Hadith. Allah complete indicate the Sharia. Clear path of Islam, peaceful path, right path, ideal path of Islam. We know, we use it. Why Allah revealed Quran and indicate, laid down Sharia as we can be pious, ideal person, perfect persons in this time. Therefore, the month of Ramadan, in which the Holy Quran is revealed, in the month we burn your evil desire. Therefore, Allah want the month of Ramadan, in which the Quran was revealed, in this month all the Muslims burn their evil desire, nafs, and become pure, perfect, according to the Sharia law, which laid down Quran and Hadith, Holy Quran and Hadith. So, the word of Ramadan is coming from Ramaja Dhatu, that means burn. Burn our evil deeds, nerves, and Sharia law, out of Sharia law. And fasting or Siyam means abstinence. Abstinence. In other words, we have to refrain from all evil deeds. We have to refrain from all evil deeds outside of Sharia. At first, we know what is Sharia, that completely laid down Quran and Hadith, consist of the Quran and Hadith. We must refrain from our eyes, ear, heart, soul, being, consciousness, senses, from all non-Sharia activities. And we to be ideal believing believers or pious or perfect men as one to Allah. Therefore, only abstinence from the eating, drinking and intercourse with wife does not consist of fasting or siyam. In order to be ideal, pure, muttaqi human being, Allah sent down the Quran and laid down Sharia. So at first knowing the Quranic provisions or Sharia law to be ideal life according to the Sharia, and Allah want to me we as pure believers, ideal believers. So Allah in this month it is ordered to obey fasting or Siyam. If you become ideal person, if you become an ideal person, the purpose of Allah will be fulfilled and the provisions of fasting will be successful. So I call upon the people of the world to make that object reality. Make the object reality. I ended with a request to convey this holy Quranic message to everyone, all the world. Allah please all the world persons.